We had approximately 600 applications for our 40 apprentice opportunities.
When I first applied, my stomach was ringing, this is what I've always wanted to do. And then when I actually had an email to attend the assessment day, my nerves were through the roof.
And we didn't offer 40 apprentices, we actually offered 57. And the reason for that is the calibre of the applicants was extremely high.
Well, I've always wanted to do nursing, and I've been trying to get into Willy Bush for years and not being able to get into it.
We were overwhelmed by what we read and what we experienced on the recruitment and selection day. So well done to each and every one of you.
So it's somebody who's caring, genuinely wants to be involved in healthcare with a desire to help people and to become part of that team, because we're in a very privileged position to be able to look after people at their most vulnerable when they're in hospital. So you want somebody that's got empathy and that they're going to really be an asset to our teams.
That's what we saw from each and every one of you during your application process and during your recruitment and selection days.
So what I can tell you about these today is an incredible achievement just to get to this point.
But even when I had the email and the interview to say I actually got a position on this job, I felt amazing. Do you know, I've never felt like this in absolute years.
Oh, I felt amazing, yeah. I was at work at the time and I think I spent the entire day just skipping down hallways.
Oh, brilliant.
Having kids as well, you're going to be like a little role model for them.
Yeah.
So never give up on your dreams.
Yeah.
Just keep going.
Keep pushing through.
Yeah.
Oh, it's an excellent opportunity to have experience of health, to work with a lot of different teams within health. So yeah, definitely it's an opportunity worth taking.
So welcome, well done, thank you, good luck. I'm sure you won't need it.
I feel young again, you know, it's amazing.
Yes.
And thank you in advance for looking after me when I'm older. Okay?